Nandito na kami sa Las Vegas. We're heading out. Maggagala kami. Kasama namin ang buong tropa. Ano gagawin? Ha? Where guys going?
Hintayin ka lang.
Hindi, binibidyo ko kayo eh.
The driver.
So where are we going, guys?
We're waiting for the driver.
Who's your driver?
You.
Yung 2018 ba yun? 17? 2018. Nakakailan na kaya kaming lumarve dito? Siguro tatlo na.
Apat dyan. Dumaan tayo sa Vegas Strip. Tama, Jong?
No, Vegas.
Sa Vegas Strip. Las Vegas Strip. And now we're on our way to see the Hoover Dam. Ilang minutes, Jong?
44 minutes from
About-
the Vegas Strip.
There you go. 44 minutes from the Vegas Strip. And we should be there shortly. So see you soon. Solar panel. Kasi mainit dito sa Vegas. Minsan umaabot din ng plus 45 above ang temperature. So, magandang location daw for solar panels.
Diba? Mag-vlog na nga tayo.
Bakit?
Continue on Nevada 172 for 1 mile.
Oh my god, we're going to the highest level scenic view. You like that, right?
So, ano to? Security check.
Parang walang magdala ng anything sa
Ano ko na mo ako over down.
Bawal din ata kasi ang ano dito. Di ba ba?
Ang vlogger. Bawal ang vlogger doon.
Drone?
Ay, oo.
Yeah, bawal ang drone. Yeah. Overdrive. Yan, nandito na kami sa Hoover Dam. Medyo malayo ang parking namin, kaya we have to walk for about maybe 1 kilometer or more. Mainit ngayon. It's about 20 degrees Celsius. It's not bad compared to usual temperature here is around 40 plus. Pwede ka na magluto ng itlog sa kalsada. Guys, what's happening? Doon kami pupunta. You guys excited?
Oh, diamond.
Yuan, are you excited? Huh? What dear? Medyo malayo-layo lakaran pa to.
We're here in Overdam.
Yeah, maganda ang view. The weather is perfect. It's not too hot. It's about right. Kaya magandang mag-picture. Sila oh. Malayo-layo lakaran pa to. Maganda kasi mag-park sa libre, guys. Kasi may bayad din ng parking dito. I think around how much? $10? $10 ang parking. So, savings din yon kung kaya mo naman maglakad for about less than 1 kilometer siguro. I'm not good in distance. Anyway, mas magandang tipid. Malayo-layo pa. Ano yan? Kailangan ba sundan yan? Ha? Ganyan ito. Grabe ang taas nito. Nakakalula. There you go, look at that. Oh my gosh. So doon sila maglalakad, tatawid sila doon para makarating doon sa pinaka-center of attraction. Let's go. Let's go over Hoover Dam. Engineering, Marble, and Historic Milestone. Yung history ng Hoover Dam.
The water will rise up and then the solid.
Was that you, Juan?
The water will rise up and then it will go down there.
This is you can see water flowing in the spillway. Look at this view here. I think dati napupuno ito eh. Ayan. Matt, what do you think about the Hoover Dam? Remember when you first time here? Like you're very small. Look at the height of the fence. Like before, used to be like below here. Probably right here, Matt. Like here. Do you remember? I was like 6 or 7 years ago though. That's why.
Pedestrians.
Where? Ano guys, kaya pa?
Wala pa.
Ano sister? Kaya pa?
More.
More? Buti nga, hindi masyado mainit eh. Ito, interesting to. Ito mo yung line na yun? Yung line?
Saan line?
Yung sa below ng line na yun.
Oh.
Dati nandiyan ang tubig.
Oh.
So, ganyan kalaki ang nawala.
Wala na.
Wow.
Wala na silang ano.
I think because of the weather or the climate change. Wow. Ganun kataas dati ang water, ang regular lake. Let's go guys. Yuri. Hoover Dam tours. What do you think, man? What do you think? What do you think, Yuan? We're gonna go on that side so we can see the view. Let's go. Jim, drop it, Yuan. It's gone. All the photos natin. So then the figment of my imagination, right? Ganda rito. Saka perfect weather, hindi masyado mainit. Ito yung Nevada time. So right now, it's almost 12 noon. 11:50 here to be exact. Tapos, dun yung sa kabilang state. Ito, nasa Nevada time pa. It means, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nevada. So, punta tayo sa Arizona. Yan yung Nevada time. And then, kabilang state is yung Arizona. So, I think it's like 1 minute walk din yan. So, makikita nyo yung discrepancy rin, syempre. Wow. So, remember guys, yun yung yung difference ng audio natin compared sa ngayon. Ang laki ng pinagkaiba. So, this one, yung pinakalay na yun. Dati dyan kataas yung water level. Ngayon bumaba na sobra. Yan. Let's go. Woo! Like na kami sa parking, sa free parking. Pro tip guys, kung gusto nyo ng medyo tipid, gawa sa free parking sa taas. About like 2 or 5 minutes walk. Kasi if not, you have to pay like $10. But if you prefer to save a couple dollars or $10, you just simply park for free. Pero medyo malayo nga lang ang lalakarin nyo. You guys are tired? No? Sick of energy? We don't have swimming time for today.
There is enough energy to go to the washroom or go to the dog. Right?
So Mateo, what do you think? You're having fun?
Yeah.
What do you think about Hoover Dam?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? It's part of history. What do you think? What do you think? Share your thoughts.
Nothing.
Think what?
Nothing.
Nakapakamayayain sila ng bata natin. Kaya wala daw siya masasabi. Manaman sa tatay. What? That's not boring. Maybe boring for you, but for some, they're enjoying to be here. Ha? Tapos kami sa aming
We're going to the
Hoover-
pyramid.
Oh, we're going to the pyramid daw. Saan yung Jong?
The Luxor.
Sa Luxor. Oh, doon kami ngayon pupunta.
Alexandria, Egypt.
Mga misis, okay na kayo dyan, mga misis.
No, single. I'm single.
Ang aming pilot for today is Master Jong. There.
Okay, yung mga trace nyo naka-stow na. Your phone's on airplane mode.
Yes.
Alright.
Tapos yung bill.
There you go. Yan, bawi na kami. Tapos na ang aming Hoover Dam trip.
Destination.
So, dapat ang time ng Arizona is different sa time ng Nevada. Kaso wala yung nag-maintain ng oras dito. mahina yata ang budget nila. Short stop siguro, short stop sila.
The layout.
Na-layout yata sila, unfortunately. Kasi dito, showing 12 ba to or 11? 11 ba, Jong?
Parang 11.
Hindi.
Wala, hindi nga sakto yung ano, yung...
It's 12:10 there. O, tingnan natin yan. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa side ng Arizona. So, lalagpas na tayo ngayon. Ayan, nasa Arizona pa rin. Ngayon, nandito na kami sa Nevada na to ngayon. Yan, this is Nevada now. So, tingnan natin ang time ng Nevada. Yung time. Same time?
Different state. Yung state na magkatabi.
So mali po pala talaga tayo. Parehas na talaga ang time ng Nevada sa Arizona. Just to clarify, folks. Ang unang vlog ay mali. Parehas po ang time ng Nevada at Arizona time. Hindi, parehas lang eh. Ayan o. Nagkaiba na ng state. Yan. Ganun pala yun. There you go. At least nalinawan na po tayong lahat.
Okay, ba? Kaya nga lang nalagyan clock in.
So, ulitin namin. Ano ba talaga, Jong? Dapat. Parehas ba ang time ng Nevada at Arizona? Ayon kay Jong, anong sabi Jong?
Ba't pa nalagyan ng clock? Kung pareho lang sila ng oras.
Ano ba sabi mo, Flem?
Sabi ng Google eh.
So, yun na nga. Ang sagot doon talaga ay walang mali na sagot. I-google nyo na lang kung ano yung tama. Yan. Yun. Ganun daw yun. Sabi nga ni OG, kapag tamang ginawa mo, hindi magba-viral. So, dapat mali lagi ang sabihin mo para mag-viral ka.
OG Alcacid?
OG Diaz, sabi niya daw. Salamat, Kuya OG Diaz. Ngayon ang mga level ng parking. Yan. Ganda ng Hoover Dam, oh. Ayan, oh. Grabe to. Ginawa daw ng alien to, eh.
Siguro sa pilot, mas comfortable.
Ayan, to. Packet na kami ngayon. Yan. Yan. Ayan. Ito kasi puro pa-uphill to, eh, no?
Delikado to sa
Delikado
case,
to.
Ano yan, sa overheat niya.
Sa overheat. Kaya pag nag-overheat ang aming sasakyan dito, marami magtutulak. Yan.
Dapat pala bumaba muna. So, mag-lunch daw muna kami dito sa Panda Express. Ayos ba sa Twitch yan? Are you gonna order? Gutom na kayo, sister?
Yes.
Gutom ka na, mami?
Not really.
Yan. Ito ano to? Black Angus pepper. And then honey walnut shrimp. Ito. Ano ito? Firecracker shrimp. So, spicy yan. Veggie. Green veggie. Noodle. Chow mein. And then fried rice. Ano, can I get two of the bigger things?